We got started in the cut to size business as we found that we couldn't purely survive doing post forming, and the cut to size developed from initially starting with panel saws, on moving on to beam saws, and eventually to the nesting machine. We started using nesting machines because we soon realised that the way of cutting material on beam saws was good for certain types of volume cutting. However, primarily supplying kitchens and vanities and wardrobes, that we found that everything required being pre-drilled, and the nesting machine type of cutting soon proved that it was quicker. Early on in the piece, we actually identified a problem that once we ended up sort of having all of the state-of-the-art equipment, we're currently running 4 nesting machines and a couple of edge banders, that it was actually taking us longer to process a job through our office than it was to actually produce the job on the factory floor. And hence the development of Cabinetmate started. Purely initially it was developed as an estimating tool, so that we could pass this on to our customers and try and eliminate the fact that our guys had to do all the data entry, and also eliminate the human error factor that occurred. Cabinetmate, when we started using it, we found all of a sudden it developed from just purely being an estimating tool to a production tool as well. We were able to put our pricing online so that our customers now didn't even have to send a quotation into us. They could basically enter their kitchen very, very quickly themselves on their program, and regardless of what supplier's product they wanted to use, their price was bang there immediately for them, and they could turn that quote into an order. And they didn't even have to basically contact us. When we had the program optimising and sending the orders or down to our machinery, our nesting machinery, we found that we were able to turn the orders around very, very quickly. Hence, the development of the program has certainly turned around the way we do business. Cabinetmate has got our business to a stage that 90% of our customers are using the program. We find that this is invaluable because our customers can get their pricing online, and it's great for us as well, because as suppliers give us increases, as they often do, we can actually go into the program and adjust any increases very, very quickly. And the program also allows us to set individual customers up on different rates. We found when we initially took this out to the marketplace and gave it to all of our customers, we just had such a amazing response to the program. And this is a full parametric program, so you're not governed by modular units. You can order a unit any height, any size. And the program's been tried, proven and tested, and it works exceptionally well for our business. In actual fact, 90% of our customers are ordering product from us using Cabinetmate. We got to a stage that we actually had to stop showing our customers the program because we physically couldn't keep up with the demand, until we were able to go out and purchase some additional equipment. I'd hate to think of how we would even conduct our business these days without using Cabinetmate. I look back to the days where we used to sit for hours and hours doing data entry. It's just hard to imagine, even being in business and supplying cut to size without the use of a program such as Cabinetmate. Look, Cabinetmate program is the main basic program that we have developed. However, we realise that every company wants to be able to brand a product of their own. HPP, for argument's sake, we decided that we wanted to call our program Cabinet Pro. However, this can be branded for your own business to whatever name you feel would suit your company best. Cabinetmate's been developed by Australian cabinet makers for cabinet makers in the industry. It's an exceptionally simple and easy tool to use. Cabinetmate has made a fantastic difference to our business because primarily it has saved us a lot of time in processing orders through our office. It's certainly increased our productivity. It's eliminated a lot of human error and mistakes. Our customers absolutely love it. You know, if we were to go out and say, hey, we're taking this program back, we'd have it right on our hands. And in turn, it's just actually just totally changed the way that we do business compared to the way we used to do business.